Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you the nearpod again. And for example, when you have the option to draw something, you can just click on the text option. Sorry, it's giving me two. And let's say I want to type something. I'm going to type my name. Okay. Guys, if you want to change the size of the frame, you can do this. If you want to move it, you grab it by this. Okay. If you want another text box, just click on text again. Okay, and I can write another name, um, Del. Okay, again, I can change that and I can nicely arrange it like this. And again, I want another one. I'm going to write Mohammed, change the frame, drag it, and I'm creating a nice list. Okay, so this is how you can do it. If you want to change the colors, you can click on this. If you want to change the size, you do this. Okay, all right, that's it.